Those who go to the beach on the west coast often will see washed up bundles of snake and alien looking things. Upon closer observation, these brownish slimy vines are kelp. Sea kelp grows in forests like environments attaching itself to the sea floor. When viewed underwater, kelp forests are very surreal looking, almost like from another planet. These kelp forests provide safety and shelter for many different types of animals. From fish to invertebrates, these large brown algae typically grow in shallow oceans no deeper than 50 feet. Seals, whales, otters, sea lions, and many sea birds feed on the kelp, which is known to grow in cold, nutrient-rich water. Mass sections of kelp forests along the northern California and Oregon coasts are collapsing. One major reason for this collapse is the great destruction being done by the kelp's predator, the purple sea urchin. The purple sea urchin was able to grow in vast numbers in recent years due to the mass death and decrease of sea star populations, which was a predator to the purple sea urchin. After the starfish left the waters, sea urchins were observed increasing their aggressive eating habits. The urchins feed in swarms and they can consume 30 feet of kelp in 1 month. Another impact of the kelp forest is the warming of the oceans. Kelp thrives on nitrogen-rich water, which can decrease as sea temperature increases. One of the biggest efforts to combat this sea urchin problem is the encouragement of sea urchin harvesting. Sea urchin, also known as uni when used in cuisine, is a highly prized delicacy previously known for some Japanese and other Asian culture uses, but is now served as a worldwide premium food product, where many will pay top dollar for high-quality sea urchins while also helping to reduce the impact of sea urchin on kelp forests.